Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Biotin Tablets, easy method. Take 1 5 mg tablet daily with water and a meal, and do not exceed the recommended dose. Track your routine on a pill organizer or phone reminder to ensure consistency. Watch for mild side effects like digestive upset and report persistent issues to your provider. Remember, supplements support, not replace, a balanced diet and good sleep habits. Set a consistent time each day to take biotin so your body adapts and you build a routine. A morning dose with food helps absorption and reduces stomach upset, while evening doses can disrupt tests or interact with other supplements. Use phone reminders or a weekly pill box to stay on track. Small habits like pairing your tablet with coffee or toast make compliance easy and stress-free. Biotin is generally safe at typical doses, but it can interfere with certain lab tests, so always inform clinicians you take it. Discuss interactions with prescription meds and other supplements to avoid surprises. If you experience rash, swelling, or breathing trouble, stop taking it and get medical attention immediately. For long-term use, review your plan with a healthcare provider to confirm ongoing need and appropriate dosing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.